Before you see a pile of round logs as nothing more than leftover timber, take a closer look. Hidden inside every log is the possibility of a beautiful table, a unique chair, a rustic bench, or a stunning piece of home decor that could become the centerpiece of any room. Most people only notice the rough bark and uneven shape on the outside. A skilled carpenter sees something completely different. They see natural beauty waiting to be revealed, unique grain patterns shaped over many years, and endless opportunity to create furniture that no factory can ever duplicate. That's one of the most exciting things about woodworking. It teaches us to look beyond appearance and discover the hidden value inside ordinary materials. What seems simple today can become something extraordinary with creativity, patience, and careful craftsmanship. Imagine walking into a home where the coffee table was once a round log growing in a forest, or sitting on the handcrafted bench that still proudly displays the natural character of the wood. These are not just pieces of furniture, they are conversation starters that bring warmth, personality, and a connection to nature into every living room. One of the reasons handcrafted log furniture has become so popular is because every project is completely unique. No two trees grow the same way. No two logs have identical grain, texture, or shape. Every finished piece tells its own story, making it far more personal than mass-produced furniture. The best part is, creating beautiful furniture does not always require the most expensive materials. Some of the finest projects begins with simple logs that others might overlook. With imagination and dedication, even ordinary piece of timber can become a work of art that lasts for many years. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to Decor Idea channel. Throughout this video, we will discover how creative carpenters transform rough, round logs into elegant furniture and eye-catching decor. You will see how nature shapes become part of the design, how simple ideas grow into beautiful handmade creations, and why woodworking with solid would continue to inspire woodworkers around the world. Whether you are an experienced woodworker, a beginner looking for fresh idea, or someone who simply appreciates beautiful handmade furniture, there are something here to spark your imagination and encourage your next project. So, take a fresh look at the natural beauty hidden inside every log, because today's ordinary timber could become tomorrow's favorite piece of furniture. Get comfortable, enjoy the inspiration, and let's explore the incredible journey of turning simple round logs into luxury and exquisite furniture and decor pieces. Let's get started. Every great project starts with a simple log. Every masterpiece begins as an ordinary piece of wood. At first, a log may look rough and unfinished, but hidden inside is incredible about waiting to be revealed. The first step is simply seeing the potential. Great craftsmanship starts with imagination. Nature creates the perfect design. Every log has its own unique shape. Every grain pattern is different. Every natural mark adds character. Instead of hiding this feature, skilled woodworkers highlight them. Natural becomes part of the finished design. That's what makes handmade furniture feels so special. Turning rough wood into smooth beauty. The transformation does not happen all at once. Little by little, the rough surface becomes cleaner. The natural colors begin to appear. Beautiful grain pattern slowly comes to life. Watching the transformation is one of the most rewarding parts of woodworking. Let the wood inspire the project. Not every log becomes the same piece of furniture. Some naturally becomes coffee tables, others become stools, bench, or decorative displays. The wood often suggests the best idea. Working with the material creates better results. Great furniture that lasts for years. Handmade wooden furniture is not just beautiful. It's built to become part of everyday life. A careful crafted tables or bench can become enjoyed for many years. Quality craftsmanship creates lasting value. Strong furniture never goes out of style. Natural wood comes every home feels warmer. Wood adds comfort to every room. It brings warmth that other materials often cannot. Living rooms become more welcoming. Dining space feels more inviting. Handmade furniture creates a relaxing atmosphere throughout the home. Small details make a big difference. Smooth edge, clean surface, balanced shapes, thoughtful finished touch. The simplest detail help handmade furniture look more refined. Care and patience always show in the final result. Decor that tells story. Every handcrafted piece has its own journey. If it started as a tree, then became a log, finally it was transformed into something useful and beautiful. Furniture with a story becomes even more meaningful. Rustic beauty never goes out of style. Natural wood has remained popular for generations. Rustic furniture blends beautifully with modern home. It also fits traditional space. Simple wooden piece always feels timeless. Good design never follow short-lived trends. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's project? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me which country are you watching us. If you love decor and woodworking, don't forget to share, subscribe this video with your DIY lover friend, family, and let's inspire more people to create something beautiful with their hands. Handmade furniture is one of a kind. No two logs are identical. That means every finished project is unique. Small difference makes every species special. Handmade furniture has a character that factory-made product can't match. That's one reason people appreciate artisan craftsmanship. Creativity turns simple materials into luxury. Expensive materials are not the only path to beautiful furniture. Creativity makes the best difference. A simple log can become an elegant coffee table. A tree stump can become a stylish side table. Imagination creates luxury from simplicity. The true value is in the craftsmanship. Great furniture is not only about the wood, it's about the care invested in every step. Patience, creativity, attention to detail. These qualities turn ordinary logs into extraordinary furniture. Every project builds new skill. Every piece you create teaches something valuable. Small projects improvement confidence. Large projects becomes easier over time. Experience grows with every build. Keep learning and keep creating. Bring natural into your home. Nature materials creates peaceful space. Wood adds texture and warmth. Handmade furniture connects your home with nature. Every room feels more comfortable. Simple materials often create the most beautiful interior. See opportunity in every log. Never overlook an old log. It could become your next favorite project. Every piece has its hidden potential. Creativity helps reveal that value. Great idea often begins with ordinary materials. Handmade piece becomes family treasure. Furniture built by hand often stays in family for years. It becomes part of everyday memories. Handmade craftsmanship carries meaning beyond its appearance. Every scratch tells a story. Every project becomes part of your home story. Keep creating without limits. Don't be afraid to try something new. Every project expands your imagination. Every idea improves your skill. The possibilities are endless when you enjoy working with wood. Let your creativity leads the way. Here are some bonus furniture and decor idea using round logs. Rustic coffee table, natural wood side table, handmade dining bench, garden bench, entryway stool, wooden plant stand, bedside table, decorative wall shelf, and log candle holders, outdoor seating, wooden survey tray, rustic coat stands. As we come to the end of today's woodworking journey, we hope you will never look at the simple round looks the same way again. What may seem like an ordinary piece of wood can become a beautiful table, a comfortable bench, an elegant stool, or a one kind of decorative piece that brings warmth and character into any home. One of the greatest lessons woodworking teach us is that true Beauty is often hidden beneath the surface. Every log carries its own unique grain, shape, and natural story. With creativity, patience, and careful craftsmanship, this natural feature can become the highlight of the piece that will be admired for years. Handmade furniture has special qualities that factory-made products simply cannot match. Every project reflects the maker's imagination, effort, and attention to detail. Small marks, natural curves, and a unique pattern are not flawless. They are what make each piece original and full of personality. Remember, you don't have to begin with a large or complicated project. Start with something simple, such as a small stool, a side table, a decorative plant stand. Each project helps you gain confidence, improves your skill, and discover new idea for the next build. One of the most rewarding parts of woodworking with natural wood is watching the transformation happen step by step. What begins as a rough log slowly becomes smooth, useful, and beautiful. That journey reminds us that greatest results come from patience and consistent effort. As you continue exploring woodworking, don't be afraid to let the wood inspire your design. Sometimes, natural shapes of a log suggest the perfect project. Instead of forcing every piece into the same design, celebrate its individuality and let its character shine through. Handmade log furniture is not just practical, it creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Whether it is in a living room, garden, entryway, or patio, natural wood adds comfort, texture, and timeless beauty that never goes out of style. Another wonderful benefit of this project is sustainability. By making through use of natural materials, you are creating something meaningful while appreciating the value of resources that might otherwise be overlooked. It is a creative way to reduce waste and build pieces that can be enjoyed for many years. Every finished project is also a reminder that creativity is more valuable than expensive materials. With vision and dedication, an ordinary log can become an extraordinary piece of furniture that family and friends will, will admire every time they visit. We would love to hear from you if you had one beautiful round log in your workshop today. What could you build first? Would you become a coffee table, a bench, a stool, a side table, a plant stand, or something completely original? Share your idea in the comments. We enjoyed seeing the creativity of the amazing woodworking community. If this video inspired you, please take a moment to give it a thumb up. Your support helps more people discover creative woodworking ideas and encourage us to continue sharing new projects, practical tips, and inspiring transformation every day. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss furniture video, feature handcrafted furniture, reclaimed wood idea, rustic home decor, DIY woodworking project, woodwork inspiration, and creative builds using natural materials. And don't stop here. We have many more videos waiting for you with scrap wood project, pilot project, home decor inspiration, beginner friendly woodworking tutorial, and timeless furniture design. Click on one of the video on your screen and continue your woodworking journey with us. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with us. Your support, your comments, and your passion for woodworking inspire us to keep creating new content for makers around the world. Until next time, keep learning, keep creating, and never underestimate the hidden beauty inside a simple piece of wood. Every masterpiece becomes with imagination, patience, and the willing to start. Stay safe in your workshop. Enjoy every moment of the creative process, and we will see you in the next woodworking adventure. Happy building, stay safe, stay blessed.